All right, Samsung dryer. This is a 3-wire hookup and a little pointer here. Go ahead and put your cord restraint in first before you put the cord in. It's easier to work with. You can use pliers to squeeze as you insert the screws. Then you open them up, slide your cord in. Now, a couple ways of installing your cord, right? You see how this portion is flat? The flat side does go toward the facing, so it sits nice and flush, and then you can fine tune it by pulling it down. So we're gonna get these inserted. Manual screwdriver. Now this is your ground strap. It goes to the body, okay? If you notice, it has a green and a yellow, which means it could be either a ground or a neutral. So if this was a 4-wire setup, this now would go here. Since it's a 3-wire, a gray cord, it goes to the body. It provides a neutral or a ground, I should say. All right, so let's get these in. All right, be careful, don't drop your screws. If anything, put a rag or something so that you don't drop them. 1/4 inch or Phillips is what it is. Try not to hold more than one screw so you don't accidentally drop them. Here's another tip. Insert the screw. That's going to give you something to hold. And now just find the hole and slowly, don't turn fast because you don't want to cross thread. Slowly, and it should go in nicely. Once it's in, make sure that you don't get any movement once it's fully tight. Next one. And that's your neutral. It goes in the center. You can also follow it. Now your ground. Ground is going to be a special screw. It's going to be green. You can use any screw really, but you want to be careful because it is a machine screw, meaning fine thread. Fine threads, see that? So, and it's green, indicating ground. Tighten up your ground, your cord restraint. Do it in tandem. Not going anywhere. Put your cover on, and you're done. Don't over tighten. Just a cover. Thanks for watching.